Ever wondered how to make the perfect roti canai at home? This delightful flaky flatbread, a staple in Malaysian cuisine, might seem intimidating to create, but fear not. Today, uncover the secrets to making this delicious, crowd-pleasing dish from the comfort of your own kitchen. Begin with the ingredients. The list is surprisingly short for such a complex-tasting dish. All you need is all-purpose flour, salt, sugar, condensed milk, an egg, and a generous amount of ghee or clarified butter. First, combine 2 cups of flour, a teaspoon of salt, and a tablespoon of sugar in a large bowl. Stir these dry ingredients together until they're well mixed. Then, make a well in the center. This is where the magic starts to happen. Pour a tablespoon of condensed milk, a lightly beaten egg, and half a cup of water into the well you've created. Now get your hands dirty. Mix these ingredients together until a dough begins to form. It might be a bit sticky at first, but don't worry. It will become smoother as you knead. Speaking of kneading, this is where the real work begins. Knead the dough for a good 10 to 15 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. This process develops the gluten in the flour, which gives the roti canai its characteristic chewy texture. Once the dough is well kneaded, divide it into small balls about the size of a golf ball. Coat each ball generously with ghee or clarified butter. This not only adds a rich flavor, but also creates those beautiful flaky layers in the final product. Cover these dough balls and let them rest for at least 4 hours, or better yet, overnight. After the resting period, it's time to stretch the dough. Take a dough ball and flatten it with your palms on a well-oiled surface. Then, using the heels of your hands, stretch it out as thin as possible. Don't worry about tearing it. Any holes will be hidden when it's folded. Fold the stretched dough into a square, creating layers as you go. Repeat this process with the remaining dough balls. Now you're ready to cook your roti canai. Heat a flat pan or griddle over medium heat and add a bit of ghee. Cook each square of dough for about 2 minutes on each side until it's golden brown and crispy. Use a spatula to press down on the roti as it cooks to ensure even browning. And there you have it, homemade roti canai. Crispy on the outside, soft and flaky on the inside, and delicious all around. To recap, the process involves mixing the dough, kneading it until smooth, letting it rest, stretching it into thin sheets, folding it to create layers, and finally frying it to golden brown perfection. With a bit of patience and practice, you too can master the art of making roti canai at home. Remember, food is not just about nourishment, it's about bringing people together. So why not invite some friends or family over and share the delight of homemade roti canai? It's a culinary adventure that's sure to impress. That's all for now. Happy cooking, and until next time, keep exploring the world one dish at a time.